Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You guys are the reason we're here. You're sharing these videos, lifting each other up, and reminding everyone that even though the VA system can feel like a battlefield, we've got each other's six. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that hits close to home for many veterans denied VA claims. If you've got that dreaded denial letter, trust me, I get it. But here's the thing, this isn't the end of your story. We're arming you with the knowledge and tools you need to fight back and get the benefits you've earned. So let's do this. Before we jump into strategies, we need to understand the playing field. The truth is, a lot of VA claims get denied for reasons that have nothing to do with your service. It's often about how you present your case. Filing a VA claim is like going to court for your health. You need a solid strategy, the right evidence, and the know-how to navigate the system. We're going to break down common pitfalls and bureaucratic hurdles so you can go into this fight knowing exactly what to expect and how to overcome it, because you deserve nothing less than a fair shot. So you've got this denial letter, and it can feel like you've been hit with a ton of bricks. Take a deep breath. The first step is to read that letter carefully. And I don't mean skim it, I mean really dissect it. This isn't just some formality, it's your battle plan. It's going to tell you exactly why the VA denied your claim and what you need to do to fix it. Look for a section called Statement of the Case, or SOC. It breaks down the evidence they considered, the regulations they used, and the specific reasons why they said no. This is crucial information that's going to guide your next move. Now that you've dissected that denial letter, let's talk about your next move. One effective first step is filing a supplemental claim. Sometimes the VA just needs a little more information, a little more convincing. Maybe there's a crucial piece of evidence you didn't know you needed, or maybe your situation has changed since you filed your initial claim. This is your chance to provide new and relevant evidence that supports your case. This could be anything from a new doctor's report to buddy statements from fellow veterans. Remember, the key here is new and relevant. Make it count. Maybe you've read through that denial letter and you're thinking, I don't have any new evidence. Don't panic. You've got another powerful option, a higher level review. This is where you ask a more experienced set of eyes at the VA to take a second look at your case. Sometimes it's not that you didn't have a strong case. It's that the first person who reviewed it may have missed something. A higher level review allows a more senior VA official to reevaluate your claim with a fresh perspective. To request a higher level review, you'll need to fill out VA Form 20-0996. Now we're getting to the big leagues, the appeals process. If you've gone through the previous steps and you're still not getting the answers you deserve, it's time to take your case to the Board of Veterans' Appeals, or BVA. When you appeal to the BVA, you have three main options. Option 1 is a direct review. This is where the board reviews your existing file as is, without any new evidence or hearings. Option 2 is to submit more evidence. This is similar to a supplemental claim, but you're presenting your case directly to the board. And finally, option 3 is to request a hearing. This is where you get to stand before a veterans law judge and present your case in person. We've covered a lot today, and I know it can feel overwhelming. But here's the good news. You don't have to navigate this alone. That's where VetMentor AI comes in. We've developed a denied claim assistant to help veterans like you fight back and win the benefits you deserve. Our AI-powered tool walks you step by step through the entire appeals process, from identifying the strongest arguments for your case to generating the necessary paperwork. Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of a hearing? VetMentor AI can help you prepare for every question and scenario. Look, I know it can feel like you're up against a brick wall when you get that denial letter, but remember, you served our country, you put your life on the line, and you deserve those benefits. Don't let this system beat you down. Get smart, get strategic, and get supported. Because you are not alone. If this video gave you hope or direction, hit that like button, share it with a fellow veteran, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Keep fighting the good fight, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.